how big his hand should be. Because in the photo it was so big.
In a photo it started to be large hand, but because we look with two images, we look round, we make it smaller, we make it in our brain, and we see with the brain, not with the eyes. And that's the stupid thing with the photo camera, it see with the eye, so it doesn't have a brain to interpret. You see a hand and you see my face. If you look with one eye, things are already changing. This hand starts to be way too large. The distortion in a photo is amazing.
I measured the size of the canvas and then I did the golden mean. And then I put the golden mean on my canvas so I can try and stretch things out.
And there we can for sketch.
And then I write a few notes. Normally I write the colours I use as well to help me.
So we will do first a retouche varnish to get the colour back. Putting on and off that. If I would use longer, I would even touch a little the strongness of that eye.
Which one? Both?
No, only that one. The side who's gone, it's always softer paint. Because that's why it is going. This side is your strongest paint. So if I make that a little softer, she will start to be rounder again. We'll scrape it off and put some light in there. I will put some enormous lights on there. That scraping is really her, eh? Since you find out scraping, you could paint.